Now, my little squares here may not look like much, but for two brothers, these dominoes are used to create art in motion. Derek and Alex Coops are professional domino artists from Sioux Center, Iowa. They were the winners of Season 1 of the TV series Domino Masters on Fox. While most kids played with Legos, the Coops twins played with dominoes. They discovered domino building at the age of 10 and eventually started their own YouTube channel showcasing their intricate domino structures. Stacked bins in their home studio contain 26,000 colorful dominoes. They find things all around their house to use in their structures, like ping pong balls, popsicle sticks, and even a dog leash. It can take hours for them to create a visual out of dominoes from beginning to end. Their ideas build from what they see other domino artists do on platforms like YouTube. Not all mistakes are happy little accidents in the domino world. An accidental bump of the finger can cause the dominoes to come toppling down way too soon.
Even though we are domino masters, we're not perfect domino builders. Everyone, no matter how experienced, will knock something down at some point.
This art differs from other forms because it is not static. The domino structures are meant to eventually come toppling down.
3, 2, 1, go. Perfect.
While Derek is studying digital media and Alex is studying marketing at Dordt University, they are not sure what their future careers will be. But no matter how the dominoes fall, Derek says,
Probably keep doing it no matter what that would look like, I'm not sure, but I think that will stay involved in the building community for a while yet.